Another accessory piece that comes along with the Max jack tool strap is this soft loop piece with a chunk of Cordura on the middle. Again, let your imagination run wild with how this can be used. Its most typical use would be to pad the wheel itself so that you're lifting by this strap rather than putting the high lift under the beadlock ring or the bead area of the wheel itself. So you can simply take this guy and loop it through the back of the wheel opening and either bring one loop back through the other and then hook this portion on your high lift jack or the Max jack tool, or you can use both of these eyelets together and slip them over. But that way you're not marring the wheel, you're lifting by a strap, and when you're finished, just pull it out of there.